So you're probably seeing this video right now because you searched how to make money online at some point. The world is so effing expensive right now that you're like, I work my buns off and this YouTuber or TikToker over here is making millions for doing their makeup online every day. And like, I wanna know how they're making money and how I can do that too, right? So stick around to the end of this video and I will give you not only the formula, but the exact class that I took for how I make money from YouTube and TikTok every single day. First, let's just talk about why I chose to make money with YouTube and TikTok over any other platform real quick. There are 1 billion people on TikTok every day and 122 million on YouTube every day. That's a buttload of people. It's way more than Facebook and Instagram combined. People spend almost an hour per day on YouTube and TikTok, and compare that to Facebook's 4 minutes a day and Instagram's 3 minutes a day, and you can see why I'm choosing YouTube and TikTok. Because more people and more time on the platform means way more opportunities to make money from it, okay? So plain and simple, that's why YouTube and TikTok. So I started just like you probably are. I started researching the best ways to make money online on Google and went down a rabbit hole and started getting recommendations on YouTube. I tried tons of different things. I took courses on writing my own ebook, starting a local marketing agency, Facebook advertising, Pinterest marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, and affiliate marketing. I spent thousands and thousands on these courses and spent years of my life trying to figure out which one was the best. I tried all sorts of different things. Basically any online business you could think of, I tried. And after all that, after trying and failing and getting shiny object syndrome and trying something else, I can tell you honestly that high ticket affiliate marketing is where it's at if you're like me. So I'll tell you a little bit about me so you can see if you relate to me and therefore want to hear my advice, because maybe we're not the same and we're not going to vibe on the same path. I don't want to waste your time. I really don't, because I've been where you are. I feel for you. That's why I made this channel, is to help people figure out the right ways for them to make money. And all I wish was that there was somebody to tell me what to do to be like all these other people online making money so easily while I was going to work 5 days a week, busting my buns for almost nothing, okay? So a little bit about me, I'm introverted. Yes, I know I'm making a video right now, but I'm by myself in my little studio. I'm not making sales calls. I'm not dealing with clients. And it did take me a while to get comfortable making videos, and I'm still not a fan like very much. I don't like to go back and watch them and see myself. I just make them and send them to my editor. But you can still make money on YouTube and TikTok without showing your face or using your own voice, and you can get comfortable with it after a while. Even if you're shy, if you're an introverted person, you're still by yourself and it still feels okay to be making videos. But like I said, you don't have to use your face or even your own voice. You can use software, AI, different apps to make videos without using your face or your voice. Another thing about me is that I'm pretty lazy. I don't want to deal with customer service or complaints or refunds. I don't want to deal with designing my own product, making my own label, hiring people, firing people. I don't want to deal with clients. I don't want to deal with any of the hassle that comes with creating or selling my own product or providing my own service. So if you like any of that stuff, if you like talking to people and making sales and negotiating and being around a bunch of people all the time and making your own thing, like want to have your own thing and maybe like be famous for that or something, like we maybe don't relate, and you could probably stop watching this video now. Because what I'm going to talk about in this video, I feel like is made for introverted, lazy people, and it's called affiliate marketing, specifically high ticket affiliate marketing. And the best way that I think to get money with high ticket affiliate marketing is by using YouTube and TikTok. Video is where it's at. So making content, making videos, making TikToks that provide value, provide information or entertainment, that's all you really have to do. Videos are what people want to see, and YouTube and TikTok are where people go to see them. My advice to you, if you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing because you're lazy and introverted like me, is that you find a good class and a good affiliate program that shows you how to do that. I will link the one that I took and that I recommend in the description below. It is both. It's a class and an affiliate program / membership that you get access to when you take the class. So not only is it a class, but it is a high ticket affiliate program, a very high quality one. So you go through that class and you learn a whole bunch of amazing stuff about how to make money online. I'm not going to get into what it is in this video because the free class that I'm linking below is where you'll get all the information about it. So you don't need to hear it twice. You can just click the link in the description below and watch the free class if you want to know more about it. But you go through that class, then you create a YouTube channel and a TikTok channel that are basically about the same thing, same business name, and you just post content to TikTok and then copy paste it to YouTube and vice versa. You can just make content around something that you're interested in or that you know a lot about. So you either are an expert in it or you just love it. Just make good quality content around that. Either make it educational or entertaining, or if you don't have anything that you're really interested in or know a lot about, or maybe the thing you know a lot about is worms and you really can't make a lot of money from worm content, then try to come up with something that is close to or has something to do with making money online or making money passively. This is something that people will always care about and always want more information. I mean, you're here, right? And like I said, you don't have to show your face if you're shy. For example, there's a YouTube channel where a guy uses doodly.com, which is a whiteboard AI thing that makes videos out of whiteboard drawings, and he uses a robot voiceover app. So it's just whiteboard drawings and a robot video, and he's got millions of subscribers, like millions. He's making tons of money. So that works as well. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to use your voice. Just make videos. It is easier to show your face because you don't have to find the whiteboard software and voiceovers. You can just start recording. And if you're cool or funny or entertaining person, then definitely use yourself and your face. But the key is to just start making videos. They don't have to be good. They don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be a professional editor. All I had when I started was a $40 microphone and the webcam on my laptop. So just start making them because they'll get better as you go. You'll keep leveling up. You'll get more comfortable. Just make them be full of value or like really entertaining, and just have integrity. Don't be talking about stuff or trying to sell stuff that you wouldn't sell to your mom or your friend or your grandma. Have integrity and provide value, and then pick a product around your content that relates to your content. That's why I link only 2 classes in all of my videos. There are thousands of classes out there I could be making money from, but I only feel passionately about 2. They are the only 2 that I would want someone to recommend to me. They are the only 2 that I would want to recommend to my friends and family. And that's why they are linked in the description below, is because they're high quality and I'm passionate about them. And I think that having integrity for the products that you are promoting is very important. Also, if you want, you can just copy me. Like, don't copy me word for word, video for video, okay? Especially if you're prettier or funnier than me. But I already do well enough for myself and there's plenty to go around. I'm not greedy. So you can just copy pretty much what I do. So for example, I'm very passionate about passive income and how to make money online. And I got screwed over a lot of times by bunk classes and programs. So I'm passionate about recommending quality, make money online educational products. So I've picked 2 products that are teaching people how to make money online. One is teaching high ticket affiliate marketing, a product that I think is high quality that I bought myself and I trust the creator. It's a class that works and I am proof of that. I took the class, I had 0 experience. My background is in dental hygiene, okay? I took the class and it works and now that's what I'm doing. So that's why I promote that class, because it works and I think it's a great program. Again, the free class to see more about it is linked in my description below. If you're interested, you can watch the free class. And then if you purchase the whole course at the end, you get a fat discount if you buy it with my link FAT, and you get buy one, get one free if you use the link and watch the class, meaning you get 2 logins, 2 of everything. So you can do it with a friend, a coworker, your family member, your kids, because it's always like better to not do it alone, right? Like have someone that keeps you accountable and have fun with it. That's why you get that. Trust me, it's worth it. And then the second one that I linked below is just because it's a really fun way to make money online. And again, super high quality. That one is not about affiliate marketing, so it's not teaching you how to do this, but it is teaching you how to make money online, and it's super fun. And the guy who made it is making money with his 10-year-old son. So you could even do it with your kids, or you could get it for your kids to teach them how to start a business and make money for you. Okay, so I digress. Pick something that you trust and that you like and that you feel good about, and then make content around that, and then just put your affiliate link in the description, like I'm doing. Literally just copy what I'm doing, link it in your TikTok bio too. You can check out my TikTok at Get Free with Annie and just copy me there as well too. And then every time somebody clicks that link and buys that product or course or class or whatever you're promoting, you get paid. You didn't have to make the product. You don't have to deal with the refunds or the customer service or the complaints if they don't like it, but pick a good one. And if it's a good affiliate program like the one I'm recommending, then you get paid 50%. You get half. And you literally were just bringing people to the product, and then you get half. That's affiliate marketing. Now, if you're an affiliate for Amazon, you get like 10%. I don't recommend that. But most businesses are jumping for joy when they're making 12% profit. So 50% without having to make your own product or deal with customer service. I mean, it just feels like the best business model in the world to me. Like, if you're lazy and you're introverted, best business model ever. The other great thing about YouTube is that if you get enough subscribers and enough watch time, so 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will let you monetize your channel, and you can start getting paid every time someone clicks on an ad on your channel or shows an ad on your video on your channel, which is completely passive income. Like, you already made a video and now someone's just showing an ad on your video and you get paid. So now you are making money not only from the affiliate products that you're promoting in your descriptions, but from the ads on your YouTube channel as well. And this is called multiple streams of passive income. And it is the thing that will set you free, my friend. I barely work on my YouTube channel anymore, and I get checks every single month from YouTube. I literally woke up this morning, woke up to an email that said you just got paid, and it was for $400 while I was sleeping. When's the last time you got paid $400 to sleep? That's nuts. And I don't even post a video every single week like I should because I'm lazy. If you post a video every single week, you'll be making way more money than me. Okay? So that's my tip for the day. That's my advice to you. I just wanted to have a candid conversation with you guys and tell you what worked for me, tell you that you can copy me. I think it's the best way to make passive income online if you're a beginner, if you're an introvert, if you're lazy. And both of my favorite classes are linked in the description and comments below. One of them is teaching you how to do high ticket affiliate marketing, which is exactly what I'm doing to make money. And the other one is teaching you something really fun, just a really fun way to make money online, and you could even do it with your kids. They're my two favorites. They're the only ones I promote. There's no tricks, there's no upsells, there's no fluff. They're just two good, high quality ways to learn how to make money online. And I guarantee you spend more on your last iPhone than you will on either of these with my discount. You're welcome. So #priorities, just saying. I believe in you. You're gonna kill it, or you're not, that's fine too. But I mean, you have to be lazier than me not to kill it. So if that's the case, I don't know what to tell you, but you're not. You're not lazier than me. You got this. So, bye.